And we're rolling. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a rather large, massive Zara haul for you guys. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and try on video. On another note, I hope you've all had an amazing week. I have been seeing some amazing items coming out from Zara recently online, although I have to say I'm not a massive, huge fan of their website. It stresses me out a little bit. However, that being said, I just think they're an amazing brand. For those of you that know me, do know that I like to shop in kind of low-end kind of stores, and I do feel that with Zara sometimes their items aren't necessarily low cost. I mean, they're great cost, but they're still not overly low cost. You'll probably spend about £30 to £40 for like a jumper, whereas you could probably go to Primark and get it for like £10. With that being said, I just think they're such a good brand and they're absolutely nailing it at the moment. They've got some amazing pieces and I went a little bit crazy. I thought, you know what, why not? Who needs money? So with that being said, I managed to get 3 rather large boxes and I'm gonna undo them all because you know what? I've pretty much forgot what I ordered anyway. Please let me know down in the comment section below any of your thoughts, which items you like, what ones you don't, and if you think anything suits me in particular or not, because I would love to have your opinion and help. So with all that being said and done, let's just get straight into the video. Okay, first up, I'm going to start off with the smallest box, and I wasn't actually best pleased with how this came. It literally turned up on my doorstep like that. I've actually peeled off the label that it came with, but yeah, this is the smallest box, so I'm just going to go for this one straight away. I have to say, I really like the packaging that Zara items do come in. I just think they're really, really classy. Ooh, what have we got here? Yes. Okay, so up first is this gorgeous camel knitted jumper. This one I believe was £30. Again, as I was saying earlier, you probably could get this cheaper kind of somewhere else as it is quite basic, but I love the wool kind of knit. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the turtleneck at the top. The arms look super nice and such a nice fit. I actually picked this up in a medium rather than a small just because I do kind of like my jumpers and knits to be kind of oversized, and this would go really, really nicely under many different jackets and coats. It's not as thick as I thought it was going to be, but that could probably be a good thing, particularly if you're wearing a nice big chunky coat. But yeah, absolutely stunning and a really, really nice versatile knit. Okay, up next is the medium box, still rather large. Oh, that is lovely. Okay, up next, I've been seeing these absolutely everywhere and I just think they are so stunning. They had multiple different styles of this jacket on the website, so I'm just hoping I picked the right one up. And it is this absolutely stunning faux leather jacket. This is kind of in the style like a blazer. As you can see, it's kind of got like a long lapel. I am a little bit disappointed with the button though. It's kind of got like a bit of a chunk missing out of it, which is a little bit tacky and I'm not best pleased with. However, I love the pockets. I love the overall style of it. This was a little bit pricey, but I just thought it was totally worth splashing out. That's if it suits me. And this is £70. There are other ones that were about £50. However, I liked this style the best. And yeah, I just think it's absolutely stunning. You could definitely wear this with so many things and definitely an absolute staple at the moment for this time of year. Now, next up is another blazer slash jacket. And I actually saw my sister having one very, very similar to this. And I saw this one, I just thought I had to have it because I thought it was so stunning on her. And this one, again, was about £60, so again, quite expensive. However, absolutely stunning. And it is this beautiful, I think it's like it's a brownie kind of beige, but mixed in with black. And it is this checked kind of dog tooth style. I really, really love the front of it. Really, really classic. And it's super stylish, and it's also got 2 shoulder pads in, so nice and structured on top. I love the length of it as well, absolutely perfect. You can dress this up or down, and you can absolutely feel the quality of this jacket. It's nice and thick. It feels completely decent and like it's not going to fall apart. I just absolutely love it. Super, super stylish and beautiful. Right, what have we got next? Ooh. Cozy, cozy, cozy. Okay, up next we've got this absolute cozy, chunky black knit. Now I was a little bit unsure of this, just simply from, like I said right at the beginning, that you could probably get kind of a cheaper one in the same kind of style. However, you can definitely feel the difference in quality with this one. It definitely feels like it's going to last a little bit longer than what your normal one would be if you picked it up from Primark. This one was £30 as well, so a fairly good cost. What I really, really like about this style is the front of it. You can't do it up, it's just a nice loungy, slouchy kind of chunky knit. It's got some pockets, so really, really handy. I feel like black, you can wear it with absolutely anything, and I just feel like this is such an item that you can basically just pair it with so many different things and it would really, really work. Super cozy, love it. Okay, this one is rather large and rather heavy. This is the final box then. Oh, it's huge. Okay, first up from box number 3 then. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is so stunning. I love the colour. It is this absolutely gorgeous sleeveless turtleneck style jumper dress. That was a bit of a mouthful. It's super long and I was concerned that this wouldn't suit my kind of style. I'm quite slim, so I didn't know if it was going to make me look completely too long, if that makes sense. And generally speaking, sleeveless things are a little bit hit and miss with me. However, I absolutely love this. This was £30 as well, and I just think for a jumper dress, that is completely the kind of price point that I would absolutely be wanting to pay for this. I absolutely love the colour as well. It's not cream and it's not camel. It's kind of like in between, if that makes sense, like an oatmeal-y type colour. I don't have a lot of things that are this kind of style. I love the fact that you can just be super cosy in this with a nice chunky boot. And you can layer it up or down as well, just to add that little bit of extra warmth. Really, really nice item. I'm so excited about this one. Now up next is another knitted dress, and it is this absolutely stunning brown maroon style knit. Absolutely love it. This is definitely what you would call a chunky knit. It's nice and thick, lovely and warm and super cozy. I love the long style on the sleeves, which you could easily turn up. It's more of like a shift style, which I really, really like. Nice and slouchy and super, super comfortable. One that you could pair with, again, your chunky boots, high boots, definitely more of a casual kind of piece rather than going out. Perfect for autumn winter. I mean, if there was ever a colour that shouted out more about autumn and winter, it's this colour. This one was £25.99, absolutely great, perfect price point for this type of thing, love it. Okay, so next up is another faux leather number. They actually had this in a tan colour, but I went for black just because of how versatile it is, and you could probably wear it with many more things. And that is this high-waisted pair of shorts. I love this style. I think it's really, really in at the moment. Super flexible on the legs, but yeah, nice and pulled in around the top. It's also got this really, really nice bow around the waist. This was £20, so a really great price point, particularly for faux leather. I mean, definitely with a pair of shorts, particularly in the autumn and winter, you're probably going to need a pair of tights, or you could get away with it if you're indoors and you've got something warm on top. I love the suede interior as well. Obviously you won't be able to see that, but it just feels really, really nice and luxurious. And I just think a really nice different piece for the autumn and winter to just kind of spice up the style and your wardrobe. Right, what we got next? Okay, next up, I cannot even tell you how much I love the feel of this next piece. Oh my gosh, it's just the softest. I really, really love the colour of this. This is a rather cropped jumper. Now, I didn't expect the crop to kind of be so high, which is a little bit interesting, but I do really like the style of it. I love the simplistic buttoning and pocket detailing at the front. I love the fact that the arms are nice coverage, and I just love the feel of this material. It's nice and thick. Definitely keep you warm in the winter, but you'd have to obviously pair it with a pair of high-waisted jeans or trousers. My parents are always telling me to wear and go for a little bit of navy. I don't wear a lot of navy, so this made me think of them. This actually was £25.99, so actually quite a good cost for something like this, and it's definitely thicker than your normal kind of type of cardigan. Really lovely, something different, and I just love the feel of it. Winner. I at least thought I was going to come across an item that I didn't quite like, and so far it hasn't happened from everything that I picked, so there we go. It's one of them. You probably don't need all these things, Anna, but There we go. What can I say? You love your styling. Now, I've actually been wanting to try a style like this for a really long time, but I didn't think that they would actually suit me at all, and I was a little bit nervous to kind of jump in and try it. However, I took the plunge, and I think with Zara jeans, I've been hearing so much about them. I've never normally brought jeans from Zara, so I'm expecting big things with this next item, and that is the high-waisted skinny flare cut style. Now, I love this blue. Is a standard classic colour blue, the original OG jean colour in my opinion, and I really love the styling of these. Really simplistic, and at the bottom you've got the flare cut. I've seen so many people absolutely nailing this trend, so I'm just, yeah, really interested to see what it would kind of look like on me, but I really like them, and I just hope that I can get away with it. These jeans were £29.99, so £30 for a pair of jeans. You can't go wrong. And yeah, just an absolute classic and something different. Now, earlier when I said that I hadn't found an item that I wasn't so sure on, this is it. And the item in question is this patterned top. Now, I've seen this kind of style and patterning on multiple different items, and I think some people can just absolutely nail this type of trend. I thought this wasn't going to be as bright as what it actually is, and it does actually remind me of like a pyjama top. I'm unsure on it, if I'm completely honest. This was £19.99, so 20 quid, which isn't bad at all, but I'm just not that sure on it. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, because I think I'm going to need a little bit of help on this one. I like the style of it, I love the boxiness of it, and the cuffed sleeves. But yeah, unsure. Let me know your thoughts down below. Now, up next, I've got two different styles of cropped jumper tops, which I definitely need your help on as well. First up, this one is more of a top. Both are black, by the way. This one was £17.99, and it's just a really simplistic ribbed style top, long sleeved, and I really like the cropped cut on this one, and I love the neckline as well. Simple and crew, but really effective, and definitely one of those items that you could just throw on with so many different things. Really like that one. All being a little bit different, I picked up this high roller type neck, and this one is more of a jumper. It's a really low cut crop top though, which I'm not entirely too sure about. I do really like the oversized sleeves on this, and what I really love about this one is the softness of it, and yeah, the overall thickness as well. Definitely keep you super warm. I'm just unsure about the cropped kind of style and whether that's too high rise. This one as well was £25.99, so a little bit more pricey than the other one, but yeah, let me know which one you prefer down in the comment section below. Well, I have to say, it's all about the tops and the jumpers in this haul. But up next, we've got another top, and again, this colour is coming out thick and fast. It is almost a little bit yellowy though. I'm unsure on it. It's kind of like an oatmeal kind of style, but a little bit more beigey. What I really like about it the most is the grandad collar crew neckline. This one was £15.99, really good price point for it. This is definitely one of those autumn winter basic staples to have in your wardrobe. I enjoy you, like it. Okay, next up, you've guessed it, surprise surprise, another jumper. Now this one, I just don't know. I'm unsure. I saw it and my first thoughts were Dolores Umbridge from Harry Potter. And you'll see what I mean in a second. However, I actually really loved the picture of this on the model on the website. I really actually quite like the look of it, but I'm not sure if it's going to suit me or not. So, the item in question is this. Do you see what I mean? You're not going to get Dolores out your head now. Just need a locket to go with it. But you know what? It's nice and cozy. I don't know if this type of material will be a little bit itchy, and I'm unsure about the buttons at the front. They're kind of cute. What I do really like is this velvet ruffling at the sides. I'm just unsure. I don't know if this is going to be an absolute hit or an absolute miss. I do like the frills at the sleeves as well. I think this style is completely in at the moment. This was £29.99. So if it ain't that great and I'm not that sure on it, which I'm not, that's kind of shouting out to me that it's just probably not the right thing. But hey ho, let me know what your thoughts are. Is it a hit or is it a miss? I'm gonna be Dolores' twin from now on. And last but not least, I've got the final 2 items. I have to say, it hasn't actually taken me that long to get through all those clothes. I'm quite surprised at that. So up next is a tracksuit. First of all, I'm going to start with the bottoms. This was probably the most priciest bit between this and the jumper, but it is a 2-piece set. This one was £15.99 and it is this off-white colour bottoms. I really like the way they ruche in at the middle. There's no tie on this one, which I was a little bit like, oh no, is it going to fit or is it not? But I do like the style. Super, super cozy inside. You know, when you get a tracksuit or a new jumper that is just so soft in the middle. But yeah, I haven't got an off-white pair and I just thought this set was really, really nice. I wouldn't normally pay this much for a tracksuit kind of outfit or a slouchy type of outfit, but you know what? I really like it and I've been after this colour for a long, long time. So with that being said, this is the jumper, and again this was £9.99, so a much better kind of price point. Bring it all together, £25. This jumper is just absolutely plain and basic. It's a nice lined sleeve, it's a nice boxy style. I like the crew neck, love the colour. A great chilled out outfit. Will go really, really nicely with a pair of trainers for the autumn winter. So there you go guys, that was all the items from the haul. It didn't actually take me as long as I thought it was going to get through all the boxes, but you know what, we made it. I absolutely love these types of videos. I love watching them and I love doing them for you. Let me know down in the comment section below if you still love this type of content, and also what your favourite was from this haul, and also what you didn't like, because you know what, I value your opinion. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up guys. Also, I hope you all have an amazing week next week and that you all end up doing something fun, and I will catch you then with my next video. See you later everyone. Lots of love to you. Bye.